Hello my two beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my go-to summer makeup look. I'm going to walk you through how I get this look. This is what I've been going to every single day pretty much throughout the summer. It's fresh, it's not too complicated. I added a little bit of gloss on the lips just to make my lips look a little bit more plump. I really like the simpleness of the eyes in this look. I really like the shade that I used on my lid because it has just enough sparkle to give you that like fresh faced look, but also have it be really simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss out on my future videos. And I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. All right, let's just get into the tutorial. So first I'm going to be going in with the Photo Finish Primer Water from Smashbox. This is my favorite primer spray. It adds a lot of hydration. And then I'm going to take the Smashbox Minimize Pores Primer. I put this in my T-zone. This is going to help smooth out your face for your foundation. And then I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. This is affordable. You can get it at the drugstore. This can work for dry or oily skin. It doesn't really do a whole lot of mattifying, but I really like it because it gives a natural skin-like finish, and it just looks very fresh when you wear it. And I'm blending that into my skin using a beauty blender. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm really bummed because I am almost out of this concealer. It's so good. It gives a really nice natural looking concealer application. And I'm bringing it up closer to the corner of my eye because that's really going to help hide my dark circles. Then I'm going to take the Peach Perfect Loose Mattifying Powder and set my entire face with this. This is a really great powder to smooth out your foundation and make your skin look very soft. Then I'm taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is in the shade Luminous Bronze Light. This gives a really pretty sheen underneath your cheeks without it being glittery. And it's an expensive bronzer, but it is so worth it. I love wearing it during the summer because it really makes my skin look very glowy. And I'm putting that on my temples and then right underneath my cheeks. This is the Becca Mineral Blush in the shade Flowerchild. It's a glowy neutral blush, and as you can see, I am focusing on this a little bit more towards the apple of my cheeks. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop In-Nude-Endo highlighter palette. This is amazing. It's so affordable, and I really like how it gives a metallic sheen to your cheeks, but it doesn't cost a ton, and it has a lot of different shade options. I'm taking these highlighters down my nose and at the very tip of my nose. Then I'm going to take the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and just prime my eyes. And I'm going to use the same Too Faced powder to just set that down so I am ready for eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. This is what I use to do my brows every time I do my makeup. It's great. It sets your brows down, and it just adds a little bit of shape and dimension, and it just helps fill them in. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. If you love neutral eyeshadow shades, you are going to love this palette. I'm just taking that orange, like yellow shade and putting that into my crease very messily. It does not have to be super precise, just to start giving my crease a little bit of dimension. Then I'm going to take that shade right there. It's called Burnt Orange, and it's a little bit of a darker shade. I'm taking that a little bit lower than the previous one, but I'm just, again, throwing it in my crease. These eyeshadows are amazing. They blend out so well. I'm going to take that glistening shade right there and put it on my finger, and then I'm just going to put it directly onto my lid. I find that this makes the shade look the most metallic. If you really like Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, I really encourage you to try this one because it's one of my favorite ones. Then I'm going to take that shade again, Burnt Orange, and put that really closely to my lower lash line with a flat definer brush. And I'm going to take another just smudger brush and blend that out underneath. Again, can be super messy. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and put some mascara. I use the CoverGirl LashBlast Fusion Mascara. This is my favorite mascara, and it is from the drugstore. So I'm just going to coat my lashes. I'm going to take this MAC Kohl Liner in NC15 and W20 and put that on my lash line because it's really going to open up my eyes. And I put some mascara on my lower lash line, and now I'm taking the ColourPop Matte Lippie Sticks. This is in the shade Brink. It's a great neutral shade, and I'm putting that all over my lips, and then I'm going to top it with a gloss from BareMinerals. It's in the shade Totally, just to add a little bit of plumpness to the look. This is a great gloss. That is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!